Hello everyone, my name is Anamika and welcome back to another video on BYJU's academic specialist. Now today's video is going to be about the leaves, okay? And in my previous video, like the training video, I discussed that if you want to perform well in your training, make sure you do not take a lot of leaves. And because of that, I got a lot of comments. Few of you were very confused and you kept asking that should I take leaves? I wanted to take leaves during my training period, and how is the leave going to affect my training? So I just thought I'll make a video and let you all know about it. So what happens is that, like, even I took leave, like a one-day leave. I took leave on 14th. Okay, it was Monday, and I had the last day of my biology training. Okay, so I had biology viva, and after that means from you can say from Tuesday I was going to start my physics training. Okay, but because I took leave on Monday, obviously I didn't give my viva. Okay, so here you can see that like my viva didn't happen, so obviously I was a day behind others, okay, my other team members, because they already were done with their vivas on Monday, and from Tuesday they could hassle free start their physics training. So what happened was I had to give my viva. I talked to my mentor and my viva was then on Tuesday. Okay, so I completed my viva in the first half, so that from the second half I was able to start my physics training. Okay, I was very worried initially that what if my I get behind by a day or two, but that didn't happen because I took just a day leave. Okay, so like if you are also taking 1 or 2 days leave, it is going to be like absolutely fine. Somehow you're going to cover it. But if you take extended leaves, okay, for example, if you take 4 days or 5 days leave, or you can say a week's leave, so obviously that is going to affect your entire training, because you will be left behind. Your team members are going to go ahead of you, because if I would say that if we talk about chemistry, physics and biology training, so I think roughly we are given 1 week for each training. Okay, so there's going to be a week or 1 week training for chemistry and EVS, and there's going to be 1 week training for biology, and the same for physics. So if you are taking leave for 4 days, so obviously you are going to miss whatever was there in those 4 days. If it is going to be just the content preparation, so obviously like it will be a win-win situation for you, because okay, that you just had to prepare content, you did not have anything presenting live demos or presenting new demos, something like that. So if that is the case, and usually that is usually not the case, because constantly for 4 days they're not going to give you content preparation. Obviously there are going to be other tasks as well. So if you take 4 days leave, so obviously you won't be able to give your mocks or live demos or assessment or something like that. So make sure you do not take extended leaves, because this is how it is going to affect your training. You are going to be left behind, and obviously your training is going to get extended. Your team members would, for example, complete their training on 30th, but because you were 4 days late, so obviously you will be completing your training by next month, like 4th or 5th of the next month. So make sure you don't take very extended leaves unless it is an emergency. So yes, that was all about how taking leaves would affect your training, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment down your feedbacks, your suggestions, or the topics in which you would like to see upcoming videos. So feel free to do that. Now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.